At Ascending Awareness, we provide a sustainable community where you can grow your own organic food and have an affordable home powered by renewable energy. Here, you will find peace, purpose, and the freedom to live without relying on anyone. Your family will thrive, learning vital skills like homeschooling, self-care, and how to build a life that lasts. We offer long-term sustainable living in self-sufficient retreats. You can lease part of our charity-owned land for up to 99 years with your own custom-built home nestled in one of our settings. Your home will have renewable energy, organic food, and everything you need to live in harmony with nature. Take the first step towards securing a future for your family. Join our private membership association and secure your 99-year retreat lease today.